guys, Terry here. I am working on putting away some layouts that I recently did at a crop, and I filled up my son's last Creative Memory album. So I thought while I was getting these pages put together, I don't know if you're familiar with Creative Memories albums. They're not a ring bound. They're put together by this strap here. So I am putting on the protective pages. These are the original. They're not quite a 12 by 12. They're the older albums. I do like them. I'll show you on the spine. I had the kids' names engraved, and then not engraved, but put the iron-on label on there, so it's got their name and then what volume it is. And then this is in the spine of each book. So I wanted to show you how to put together the pages here. So notice this binds through here. So I'm just going to open this up to put the pages in. I'm taking this out. Some people think that you can't use the Creative Memories like you do on Pocket Pages. Creative Memories' first philosophy when they came out was to make the pages very simple. So on your page you would stick your pictures, maybe cut them into shapes, decorate the page, and then do everything in chronological order. But the way I use them is and you know what? I think I took it off in the wrong order. No, this is right. I was forgetting whether you take the front page off or the back. So notice I left it on the front cover, and then I'm feeding this through all the straps. And then you put this one on. You always remember to put this one on just like it's a page. Put that on like it's a page. And then you keep the back cover like it's a page too. And then you feed it back through this loop, and you pull it pretty tight. You want people to be able to turn the pages. But notice I'm feeding it back through there and pulling it pretty tight. As your book gets thicker when you got your pages in, you can loosen this front end. But that is basically the book together, and then it has a spine on it. The spine is curved at one end. So what you do is you put the square end in first. And I'm tucking it on both sides there. And then this one will go in. It'll loosen up later, but at the beginning it's pretty tight. I like the original albums because they had the this is on the front, so you know which one's the front, which one's the back. But then I put my pages in. This does not want to go in here. Leave that alone for a minute. I put my layouts in here. I just taking my pages and inserting them in here. Once I have my book assembled, I will glue them down, but until I have them glued down, I just insert them into the pages. So in this way I'm using it like it's a pocket, and it works. It's in there. I can put almost 2 packs of pages in. I think 15 pages come in a pack. And I've got my albums pretty full. I'll show you one. This one here probably has 2 packs in it. Maybe not quite 30 pages. It does stay in there okay. Put this back on so you see it. So it's like that. And you can see, I mean, it's pretty full. I always say I wouldn't want to make it any bigger than what you could lift. You know, what you could have comfortably on your lap, flipping through the books. This is my daughter's book. I started by doing all their school pictures, and that kind of gave me the books in order. But then I can move the pages around. If you take out the straps, take the pages out, and you can see these ones I glued directly on the page, decorated a strip. Or you can do stuff on a 12 by 12 layout and then insert it into the pages. So I still love their books. I'm glad the company is still around and making these books. You can find a lot of these older albums on eBay. Just search for those things. The books are pretty economical. I mean, some of these I'm finding at garage sales now. The pages, if you have to buy the pages have gotten expensive. And you've got to buy the page and the plastic page that goes on it, the plastic protector. So I'll put links to these items, and hopefully that shows you how the Creative Memory albums go together. Thanks.